little bird went under the water. No way. Did you see that?
What did it do?
He's into the water. He just came up. We find him.
Oh yeah.
Tell Matt to come here.
Matthew, come here. Matthew.
Oh, he's gone.
Come see the bird that swims in the water. The little bird that swims in the water. Little bird that's...
Who was?
Hey, never in my life seen nothing like that. He goes under the water.
What are you talking about?
That bird across over there at those rocks. He's almost on the other bank over there. Goes under the water.